Fresh dates, crunchy nuts and chocolatey Good Day Chunkies made for irresistible Khajur Biscuit Rolls. Hi and a very warm welcome to the Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Amrita Raichand and today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake Khajur Biscuit Rolls with an infusion of Good Day Chunkies. So let's begin. I'm going to take a bowl and I'm going to add these crushed Good Day Chunkies in this bowl along with some condensed milk. So what better way than to mix these chunkies with an extra healthy dose of dates and nuts that are super good for them and give a nice boost of energy. And here the Chunkies tip of the day is that if you don't have condensed milk or if you want a healthier option, you can always opt for organic, good quality honey to bind these Good Day Chunkies. So I've mixed these. I'm going to put this on the side. I'm going to use another big bowl and isme I'm going to mix some chopped dates, some chopped nuts. I've also got some cashew powder and for binding some milk powder as well. I'm going to nicely mix all these healthy ingredients. Now if this mixture is dry, if your dates are not, the soft ones, then you can add a little bit of milk or even honey for that matter. Alright, so all these ingredients have come together. Lovely. Now I'm just going to move this on the side. Now I've got an aluminium foil. Uske upar I'm going to add a parchment paper and then I'm going to spread this Chunkies mixture that I had made with condensed milk on this parchment paper. And now on top of this is going to be my dry fruit and nuts roll. So now we are going to tightly bind these and create a nice roll out of it. And now this will go into the fridge for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Alright, so this is done now, nice and cold, and it'll be easy to cut this out, rather slice it out. So we're now going to get rid of the sides which are uneven, and that's going to go into my stomach. But for the final serving, we are going to slice these neater rolls with a serrated knife. So while I enjoy these velvety, melt in your mouth Chunkies Khajur Biscuit Rolls, why don't you like and share this recipe with all your friends? And if you want to see all the recipes in this series, don't forget to visit Britannia Dessert Carnivals. See you soon.